Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is Telegram taking too much space on your phone? Clearing the cache can help free up storage on your iPhone. The first step is to open Telegram, then you head over to the setting and tap on data and storage. Next, you select storage usage to see how much space Telegram is using and what's taking up the most storage. Next, you tap Clear Telegram Cache, then select the type of media you want to delete, like photos, videos, or files. Confirm your choice and Telegram will clear the selected cache, freeing up space on your iPhone. You can also go through the chats that are taking up space on your phone. Tap on the one that you think has the most space and clear it. And that's it, guys. Now Telegram will run smoother and take up less space on your device. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can also share with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.